in our day-to-day, we often adopt different person perspectives of meaning making. For example, if some kids are resolving a conflict on the playground, we wouldn't interject by prescribing deliberative protocols of representative, democratic, non-violent communication conflict resolution. It wouldn't fit. They couldn't make meaning of what we actually mean. They might understand the words that come out of our mouths, but they just couldn't make meaning from their order of consciousness. So, for example, when we now have another sentence completion test and we ask, when I criticize, and then we ask a large language model to complete the sentence, a language model that's prompted on a lower stage, on 2.0, would say, well, I feel bad when I'm criticized because it means I must have broken a rule and wasn't being nice, and I don't want others to see me that way. I try to fix it by saying sorry and doing what they tell me is the right thing to do. It's important for me that people see me as a good person. So you're a good person when you do when you do what the teacher tells you. Now that's very different when you talk with somebody on a transpersonal 5.5 wisdom stage. It says, when I'm criticized, I recognize it as an opportunity to witness my subtle ego's reactivity. Acknowledging the critic's perspective as a reflection of their own constructs, allowing me to refine my understanding, transcend potential blind spots, and further align with the essence that underlies all interactions. Right, we're all there. When somebody criticizes us, we see this opportunity to witness our own ego's reactivity. Always. Okay, but it's very different if you come from this. And people on 5.5, that's their center of gravity. That's how they then interpret reality. Same as a child interprets it naturally from another meaning-making perspective. But it's the same sentence to be completed, and that's how we can measure that.